Depending on your RStudio Cloud pricing plan, you may have access to the ability to tune your project resources. To access project resources, we'll need to be within a project or an assignment on RStudio Cloud. From here, we can click on the Settings icon at the top of our project and navigate to the Resources tab. From here, we can change the amount of memory allocation, CPU allocation, and/or the background execution limit. RStudio Cloud's pricing is calculated based on project hours and not project runtime. As such, note that changing our memory allocation and/or changing our CPU allocation will change the project hours consumed by the project based on 1 hour of project runtime.